Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you uh, the auto brightness problem in OPPO. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you uh, to the auto brightness problem in OPPO. So first we're going to on the setting, and then we will click here display and brightness. So here you can adjust the brightness you wanted, this much or this much as you wanted. So, and for auto brightness problem, here it's written here auto brightness. So you if you on it, then it will automatically show you how much brightness that you needed. And for the problem is that sometimes you on this auto brightness, that's why it has a problem, because if you on this auto brightness, it will automatically show you how much brightness that your phone is needed. Like this, I'll show you, this is how much I put the brightness, and when you on the auto brightness, here it decrease here. So sometimes the mistake you make is you on the auto brightness, so that's why this will be a problem on there will be a problem in the brightness. So all you need is just to on and off this auto brightness so that it will solve the problem. So this is it guys, of how the auto brightness problem in OPPO. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it.